Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable the Storage Sense feature in Windows 11. If you don't know, the Storage Sense is a feature that automatically frees up disk space by deleting temporary files and emptying the recycle bin and also removing old downloads. It actually works on the system drive and also usually on the C drive. So let's see how it is done. First, go to the search option and click on the settings. Now, once you're inside the settings, you need to go on the System tab. Now, inside the system, you can see the storage option. Simply click on the storage option. Now, from here, inside the storage management, you can see the storage sense. As it states, it automatically frees up space, deletes temporary files, and manages locally available cloud content. So, to enable it, simply click on this toggle right here, and it will get turned on. If you want to enable or its more settings or want to configure it, simply click on this arrow right here. Now from here you can see another options like keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files. Let it remain turned on. Then there is an automatic user content cleanup. Disk space is low. It cleans up enough space to help your system to run its best. So it will also show you how much of space it cleared on which date. Then there are other configuration settings like when do you want to run the storage sense. There are different options like every day, every week, every month, or during low free disk space, which is the default settings. Then there is the delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over. Then you may choose after how many days the content in the recycle bin gets permanently deleted. Then there is also the delete files in my downloads folder if they haven't been opened for more than. Then if you want your download folders to get cleared, if no you are not using any particular files which is stored in your download folders, then you can simply delete them automatically from this particular toggle right here. Then if you want to run storage sense right now at this moment, then you need to simply click on this button right here. So in this video, we have successfully enabled and configured the storage sense feature in Windows 11. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.